making a distortion pedal. Welcome to Jim and Joe's. The star of the Circus is the LM386 low voltage audio power amplifier IC. It supplies a voltage range of 4 volts to 12 volts or 5 volts to 18 volts depending on the package you use. I'm using an LM386N. With the notch of the chip to the left, we'll set pin 4 to ground. Next we'll take pin 2 and also plug that into ground. Pin 3 is our input, which will go to our 1/4 inch input. The 1/4 inch input has several lugs on it. The middle lug is what we're going to connect to our positive, with the far left lug going to our negative rail. Pin 1 will go to the off position of our switch, which will connect to the last leg. We'll now connect a 10 microfarad capacitor to pin 8. Make sure your negative is actually going to the 8th pin. And then from the positive pin of the capacitor to the middle lug of our switch. Pin 6 is VCCN. We'll use a 100 microfarad capacitor to connect to positive. We'll then connect a jumper to pin 6 to go to our positive power supply, and take the positive end of our capacitor and go to ground. On pin 5, we'll connect the positive pin of a 470 microfarad capacitor. This will be the output. Make sure the negative is going to the negative 1/4 inch output. This will once again go to our positive lug on our 1/4 inch guitar connector. Now we'll connect the lug all the way to the left to the ground rail. And with our circuit done, all we need to do is connect our 1/4 inch guitar inputs, and that's about it. Thank you for joining us on Jim and Joe's. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with others, and be sure to check out our other videos, and have a good day.